my family, my neighbors and my friends, standing firm together against oppression, holding hands. It doesn't matter where you're from, or if you're young, old, woman or man. We're here for the same reason, we want to take back our land. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom, freedom. We know you can hear our call. Oh, oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. We know you won't let us fall. Oh, oh, we know you're here with us. No more being prisoners in our homes, no more being afraid to talk. Our dream is just to be free, just to be free. Now when we've taken our first step towards a life of complete freedom, we can see our dream getting closer and closer. We're almost there. Oh God, thank you for giving us the strength to hold on. And now we're here together, calling you for freedom. This is it, and we're not backing up. Oh God, we know you hear our call, and we're calling you for freedom, freedom. We know you can hear our call. Oh, oh, we're calling for freedom, fighting for freedom. We know you won't let us fall. I know that you could easily take away everything you've given me, and I try to remember not to take anything for granted, 'cause I know that one day suddenly this will all come to an end. So my last wish is for you to be pleased with me. Allah, ya Allah, guide me all the way to your Jannah. Ya Allah, ya Allah, don't let me go astray, 'cause I need you by my side. I wish to be close, close to you throughout my life. Ya Allah, oh Allah. sometimes I do forget that my next breath could be the last. Forgive me, 'cause I can't thank you enough. Forgive me when I doubt your love. Now I pray for that day when all this stops and comes to an end. So my last wish is for you to be pleased with me. Allah, yeah Allah, guide me all the way to your Jannah. Yeah Allah, yeah Allah, don't let me go astray, 'cause I need you by my side. I wish to be close to you throughout my life. Yeah Allah, oh Allah, be with me all the way. Day by day passes, and I think that my time could be near. So I pray, oh God, let this world be in my hands and not in my heart. 'Cause soon I'll have to leave it. 'Cause soon I'll have to leave it. Allah, yeah Allah, guide me all the way to your Jannah. Yeah Allah, oh Allah, don't let me go astray, 'cause I need you. Allah, yeah Allah, guide me all the way to your Jannah. Yeah Allah, yeah Allah, don't let me go astray, 'cause I need you by my side. I wish to be close to you throughout my life. Yeah Allah, oh Allah, be with me all the way. Allah, yeah Allah, guide me all the way to your Jannah. Yeah Allah, yeah Allah, don't let me go astray, 'cause I need you by my side.